Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can archive your team projects on Jira, for example, if you'd like to hide them from your list of ongoing projects or don't need them anymore or have stopped working on them. It is actually very simple. So let us dive right into it and show you how you can do it. Head over to Jira, log into your account. And guys, what you will need to do first is click into that arrow down icon next to projects to expand that list and to gain access to all of your ongoing projects. So click into the given project to select it, and after that click into these three dots next to it, and after that simply select archive project. There you go. After that, Jira will ask you if you really want to archive the given project, including, for example, its items, of course, components, attachments, and so on and so forth. Those won't be deleted, of course, but archive, that's a difference. You can access that archive, of course, and unarchive the given project if you like. However, guys, as previously mentioned, archive projects won't appear anymore in directories as well as in search. So bear in mind also that only an admin can restore and unarchive such a project. So only do that, guys, if you 100% to do this. So I won't do this now. I will click on cancel because I would like to keep my project, but that's how you archive projects on Jira. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.